I see a bunch of friends in the audience who have braved the rains, who have braved the political turmoil and present this evening to celebrate recognition of some finest leadership. And I can only say that you are a true representative of what we at CEO Lounge stands for. I would request Mr. Ramdurai to please come and share his briefly on the jury's views on how this process handled.
Deepak and Subodh requested me to head the jury selection. I thought it was going to be a breeze. We met at this hotel and it took us about 2.5, 3 hours. But I must say the contribution by each and every one who made up the jury made my job a lot easier than I thought.
Firstly, let me tell you that being a national spokesperson of a political party, and I mean, I'm sure all my colleagues from whichever political party they represent, we look forward to these opportunities of speaking to people holding a microphone in the hand. Ask me why. Because this is the only time we can speak for 16 seconds without an interruption.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we quickly move on the award ceremony, the Disruptor Award. And the winner is Mr. Naveen Tiwari.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sudhir Jain. I happen to be uncle of Naveen, and I have with me Mrs. Sudha Tiwari, Naveen's mother. I have known Naveen when he was 7 or 8 years old. I must say that if you are giving him a Disruptor Award, the signs were very early, very obvious.
First of all, I want to thank the CEO Lounge and very honored to receive this award that I do, and I want to dedicate this to the whole company and the whole people behind this, which is the whole of InMobi people.
The next award is for the Outstanding Leader SARC. And the winner for this award is Mr. Binod Chaudhary.
A small man from a small country with big dreams. This is what defines my father. I can say in front of everyone that we have got a God in our father, and we are truly happy and we feel blessed that we are with him. Thank you.
It has been a remarkable experience. I must congratulate Deepak. The whole event has been curated, but also the quality of the jury and the way the whole show has been conducted. I think he brought in a very emotional angle by bringing in close family members or friends to introduce. That's very unusual.
The next award is the Social Stalwart. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Mr. Anshu Gupta.
Ever since I met Anshu in his avatar as the founder of Goonj, every single interaction actually has a story behind it.
Some of the introductions of the awardees were very beautiful. I mean, especially the one which was very poetic. And family coming, friends coming and introducing someone is something really beautiful.
The next award is the Visionary Award. And I think there's no one else better deserved than Shri Rahul Bajaj.
There's something he told me many years ago which has stayed with me always. And that is, it doesn't matter and it's not important if you're with people during their good times, but you must always be with them during their hard times. And that has stayed with me forever. So ladies and gentlemen, that's Rahul Bajaj, my father, my hero, my friend, philosopher, and
Do you think the government should force the corporates to commit to this 2%, or they should be free to do what they really feel is right to do for this country?
Corporates should repay the society from which they earn and those who are not doing it, I think the justification is that they should do it, and those who are already doing it, they should not complain. So from that angle, I'm saying I rationalize the 2% this thing, but in principle, I don't like it. I can say to anybody, you tax me as much as you want, you can't mandate my generosity.
It was an absolutely fabulous event. The CEO Lounge initiative for the CEO Awards in 2019. I have never been to a set of awards which is so personalized. The difference in being able to actually get the award winners' friends and family to speak about them, most importantly without the award winner knowing it's happening, is what was really the icing on the cake. Fantastic effort, fantastic event, and hopefully we'll be here for many more.
The next award is the Boundary Breaker, and the winner for this award is Mr. M.M. Murugappan.
Now in this world, there are them, and then there is Triple M. For him, I will always cheer. Like me, he's a chemical engineer with the business pedigree of a centenarian family.
It was a tremendous surprise to have a very dear friend, a fellow board member, Nadir Godrej, introduce me through his characteristic poetry. Nadir excels in it, and I was just so taken up by this because I was with him this morning for about 2 hours and he never uttered a word. So I think the ability for all of you to spring such a surprise is truly outstanding.
The next award is the Emergent CEO, and the award goes to Mr. S.N. Subramanian.
Anyone who knows my father will immediately realize that he is a karma yogi. Work possesses him 24/7. L&T is more than a mere workplace. It's his home, labyrinth, and his driving force.
We have a tradition here at the CEO Lounge that the winner of the Emergent CEO, that is you, give an award to somebody who you consider as a mentor, sir.
I think I had to give an award to my mentor, my boss.
Mr. A.M. Naik.
Well, Mr. Subramaniam called me a mentor. That is one of the major roles and responsibility I have carried over the decades.
It's always a pleasure to be at the CEO Awards. I think the best part is that they do it make it very interesting, especially this concept of where they call a family member or a friend or a mentor of the award winner and a light tone that it gives to it.
The next award is the Outstanding CEO Award, and the winner of this award is Mr. Varun Berry.
If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, and which is more, you'll be a man, my son. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the man, Varun Berry.
Not only has this award been given to someone who's a terrific CEO and a great executive, but also someone who's a really thoroughly decent and lovable human being. And that's such a rare quality in the corporate world. Congratulations on this prestigious award. You really well-deserved recognition of being the CEO of the year.
Probably the best award evening that I've attended in a long, long time. The sensitive touches that were brought to the evening by CEO Lounge was tremendous.
Wow, what an evening. I think CEO awards, I think there's no other award in this country which can match up to this level.
Really liked was the fact that there was this surprise element
the surprise element of somebody who's very close to the one who's winning the award. And it was kept as a surprise, and just the smiles on the faces when they saw someone who they perhaps were very close to, or they always were inspired from. It was a delight to be a part of this awards night. It was definitely different.
What I liked very much, it was like a family, because of course we are the family members, but also it was very warm and very human touch, not like a typical award ceremony where you have a lot of corporate stuff. But I think it was very much human centric, and that's I love very much.
It was a very special evening. Very entertaining, quite unique. This is not the normal awards function one goes to. Giving it a personal touch, involving family, surprise element. I think it's quite unique. I mean, one can imagine the huge effort which goes behind organizing an evening like this. It was thoroughly enjoyable.